kisiasa koru national bakansa situra egento gekugera Kenya ere in a very bad situation right now politically igotule ndojenga nice yutule politically ekiagera abantu mbatakiri batwara marumbano yani abantu ba okwanga abantu bakembaine koruli tuko chelinde because I think corruption na ende tuachire tuanyolire nga more especially myself na arolire nga there is organized corruption yerega Kenya because yese koligere libuna chiwe cha CDF to be honest with you no nyabanda abana abagenzi bakorwana chibesa chiri cyare kubekwa se development by now we could have seen some results. Kenya kanga ya move to another level as chabo Singapore chire bono chiabo Malaysia na otule kanga na otule by the way because Malaysia janyora almost the same time independent and Malaysia there is a time jete in fact to go seek some financial assistance yes from Kenya ngakiyu but now it is a shame ekeroko nyolensi ya Kenya go chigo seek aid financial aid koru kwa we run koru Malaysia it is bad very bad igo in siasa because governance ekeroko govern resources cha wananchi properly they must see you don't have konya kolina chigali para igoro konya gukure bituleli konya gotebya abantu they will see ekere impact financial management ya chibesa cha mwananchi kerere controlled properly omwananchi nsali akoiwe besa yaso mubuku ngakiego soa ya rure igora ya ikirasa lakini bono Kenya teli goika that's the problem.